So students, let's welcome to our channel SciTech. Okay, so all of you are welcome now. Okay, good evening to all of you. So today we are going to study about some of the multiple choice questions, okay, from the section Microsoft Word in your subject computer applications. Okay, please do like, share and subscribe, and always share with your friends. Please do like, share, subscribe and share with your friends also. Okay, so let's move on to our first question. Okay, so which file extension is used for MS Word 2016 documents by default? Okay, so it is .docx, right? Next question, which of the following is not a valid font style in MS Word? Not a valid font style, it is slide. Okay, next, let's see this question number 3. Default alignment of text in MS Word. Default alignment of text in MS Word is what? It is left. Okay. So let's move on to our fourth question. Which feature is used to create a newspaper style layout? Newspaper style layout is created by columns. Okay. The columns feature. Next, see. Which of the following allows you to insert repeating data? Like names and address, repeating data is there from a particular database, it will be mail merge. Okay, next, see the next question. Which of these options is not a paragraph formatting feature? Not a paragraph formatting feature, so that is margins. Okay, others are paragraph formatting feature: line spacing, text alignment, indentation. Okay, so all these are paragraph formatting feature you will be getting in the paragraph formatting feature. Okay. Now see, in MS Word, what is the function of ruler? Function of ruler. Function of ruler is what? What is the setting the margins and tab stops, right? Okay. So let's move on to our next question. Shortcut key to open the font dialog box. To open a font dialog box, we can use Ctrl plus D. Okay. If you press Ctrl and D, so font dialog box will be opened in MS Word. Okay. Now, what is the purpose of track changes featured in MS Word? Track changes. So, track changes is used to do what? It is used to record edits or suggestions made by other users of the document. Okay. So, let's see next. Which feature allows inserting a table in MS Word? Inserting, to insert a table. What is that? Insert and then table. Okay. Next, see which tab in the ribbon contains header and footer option. Header and footer is easily inserted using which tab? Insert tab. Okay, you will be getting in the insert tab. Which feature in MS Word allows you to move or copy formatting from one place to another? If you want only the format, okay, to be copied, that is format painter. Format painter is a very useful tool, okay, which is available with the MS Microsoft Office. Okay, Excel also, Word also. Okay, PowerPoint, all, in all the places format pointer is a very useful tool to only copy the format. What is the function of control and enter? Means shortcut key, if you press control and enter, which of these things will be inserted? Okay, okay, so control and enter will be used to insert a section break. Okay, next, in MS Word, the default unit for measuring margins, default unit for measuring margins is inches. Okay, now which feature is used to automatically correct common spelling errors? Common spelling errors, if you want to correct, okay, as you type it will automatically get corrected, that is the auto correct feature of MS Word. Okay, choose the method that would be most suitable to send personalized result letters to students using MS Word. Personalized result letters to MS Word, sorry, to be sent to students using the MS Word, that is mail merge feature. Okay, very useful tool. Choose the most efficient method to organize long document with chapters and subheadings in MS Word. Okay, so if you want to organize very long document, there are various chapters and various subheadings in the MS Word. Okay, so which tool will you be using? Okay, so it is very evident that if you use the heading styles and navigation pane, okay, it will be very much helpful, okay, to organize the sections or subheadings in a long document. Okay, which is the best approach? Okay, if you need to share a protected version of your word file, okay, if you want to share only the protected version, so if you save it using restricted editing and saving, you can easily share a protected version of your word file to your other users of the file. Okay, so one more scenario is there. If you want a word document header to appear only on the first page, okay, so you will be using different first page option, right? Next, choose what would you suggest if a user finds inconsistent font and style across word document pages. Inconsistency is there, so we can use the format painter, okay, so that the same formatting can be applied to the complete word document across all the pages. Now, which is the ideal tool if a student wants to include citations and auto generate the bibliography for in word? Okay, so which tab will be helping you? That will be the references tab will be helping to generate the citations or bibliography. Okay, the tool in word that should be used if a faculty wants to automate feedback certificate creation. Feedback certificate creation, if it is there, it is easily done using mail merge feature. Okay, to each of the student, mail merge can send, and first of all it will make each of the certificate naming the particular participant, and it can easily be sent using the mail merge feature. Okay, choose the best way to review edits from multiple people in a word document. Multiple people in a word document, if they want to review the edits, then which thing? Track changes. Okay, track changes will help. So that's all from the word. Okay, so we'll be moving on to Microsoft Excel a little later. Thank you for joining. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.